Erythraean Sea. So he was a very great ruler, but he is not spoken about. I mean, no one in India knows about him today. So according to one version of the British history of the Chavdas are descendants of this king, Nahapana. According to another version, which you will find in the Numismatic Museum in Mumbai, it says that the Chavdas are Indo-Sassanians, which means that they are Indo-Iranians. Now, again, the Iranians are essentially part of the same ethnic group as the Indians, although most of us don't know that. So that is another theory. And there's another thing as well, another data point. One of the oldest references to the Chavda dynasty is the Sri Chapa dynasty, which is the old name of the Chavdas. So the oldest recorded king of the Sri Chapa dynasty was a king called Vyagramukha in Binnamal in Rajasthan. And this guy, the first recorded